Hello dear viewers, hope you're doing great. Today I'd like to demonstrate how you can upgrade your internal storage for your PlayStation 5. Technically you're not upgrading the built-in NVMe drive, we're just gonna use the expansion slot and we'll put a new NVMe drive which will basically add more storage where you can install the games and play directly from there. Now one thing which is very important, that when you're choosing a drive, NVMe drive for your PS5, make sure it's Gen 4, pcie Gen 4 and have a heatsink. Now why it needs a heatsink? Obviously it's going to work even if you don't have a heatsink, but it is recommended that you choose one with heatsink. Now you can go for Samsung 980 or something, but I have read a lot of good reviews on this particular brand, Corsair, and their particular drive MP600, and that's what it looks like. And it is confirmed by Corsair that it's a direct fit, so we'll see in a moment. You can see this one, it says compatible with PS5. You definitely can go for other brands, but it's best if you want to stick with something that is officially confirmed that it's a direct fit for the PS5 expansion slot. So I'll open the console cover and we'll reveal the slot and we'll install the drive. Now the way you're gonna open the PlayStation cover for your PS5 cover is make sure the logo that you see right here is facing down, and basically just gonna position it like that. So the logo is facing down and you can see the back of your console, and then what I heard is you lift this side up, hold down there and slide it open. So I'm gonna try that now. Alright, so we have removed the cover, which is very easy. Just in case if you have any problem, do not try to pull it by force. It should come very easily. If you have any concern or you're not sure, then follow the PlayStation guidelines. I'm sure they have a support page for that. Now we're gonna locate our storage expansion and it's right there. So you're just gonna use a Phillips screwdriver here and we'll remove this. The other Phillips screwdriver I tried was too small, so we're gonna use a different one now which fits perfectly, and we're just gonna open it. Alright, we have opened the cover of this expansion slot, and I can see they already have a screw which we can actually use to secure our expansion card. So once again, this is very tiny, guys, as you can see. So we're just gonna slide it carefully, line up, and it should fit perfectly. Once it is secured, we will use that screw to secure this. Once you install it, don't push it too hard, just push a little bit and you'll hear a click which confirms that the expansion card or NVMe SSD is secured. Also make sure before you put the screw on, you see these tiny rings, it should go under the SSD mounting screw area, and we're gonna screw on top of that so that SSD also maintain its height perfectly. I almost forgot about that, guys. Luckily I noticed it in the last moment. No, that's good. We're all set. Let's put the cover back. And the screw. Alright guys, so the SSD we already put inside. We put back the cover, and now we'll connect it with the TV or monitor, wherever you have, and then we'll see how you're going to format that and how you can choose it as our expansion card. So we plugged in the PS5 to the TV, and we need to format the new expansion NVMe SSD drive, and it is showing a very good read speed, around 6,000 to 7,000 megabyte. So we're all set, and now we can enjoy installing our games to the expansion SSD. And now our PS5 has basically double the storage. So hope you find it helpful, guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.